details. But meanwhile, viewers, let's take a look at the key findings in this case that we are seeing and what have been released so far in terms of this case, and the details that are coming in terms of the Delhi High Court inquiry report. What are the findings that we have seen? The finding number 1 is the fire broke out on 14th March 2025 at about 11:30 p.m. in a storeroom. So that's the finding number 1, that a fire broke out on 14th of March. And the finding number 2 is the storeroom is next to the guard room where CRPF battalion is posted. So we have seen that in the findings of the Delhi High Court. This report shows that the guard room was adjacent to that. And the finding number 3 is the storeroom is used to be kept, that it was kept locked. So that's the finding number 3, that that room that is in the question is kept locked, and it's used to be kept locked. And the finding number 4 is security guard informed that some debris and half-burned articles were removed. So that is a crucial information that security guard has provided. The finding number 5 is, as per initial report, room was used to keep useless articles of household. So that is something that has been getting established in the finding, is that room was used to keep unused articles in that room. The finding number 6 is the storeroom was completely dark and walls had developed cracks. So in the next finding, we are seeing that the room was completely pitch dark. They had to use the mobile phone torch to be able to see what was in that room, and the crack was seen in that room. Finding number 7 is Justice Verma spent 8 to 10 minutes in the room on 15th morning and found half-burnt articles. So when we are talking about the room, he went inside, stayed there for 8 to 10 minutes, and he was able to see the room with the mobile phone flash, and he saw that there were half-burnt articles in that room. The finding number 8 is Justice Verma claims room was only accessible to servants, gardeners and to CPWD personnel. So he has informed who were able to access this room. So it was his staff that was able to access this room. Finding number 9, inquiry conducted by Delhi High Court does not reveal possibility of entry or access to the room by outside persons. So clearly that's something that has been established, that the only people who can access this are the family members and the staff at the quarters. The finding number 10 is, other than those residing in the bungalow, only servants, gardeners and CPWD personnel can access the room. So we've already established who all have access to this room, the family members, but there's nobody, and the servants, the gardeners, these are the people who have access to this room. So that's about it when we're talking about the findings that are coming in. I'll pose the question to Sanjay Rana when we're talking about the findings.